सुबह हो चुकी है, मैंने अपना ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिया है और क्लीनिंग, साफ़ सफाई सब कुछ हो चुका है। और लंच के लिए तो मैं बाहर जा रही हूँ दोस्तों के साथ। आई शो यू कि मैंने ये क्या पहना है ड्रेस थोड़ी देर में। और राइट नाउ द टाइम इज़ टू मेक द रंगोली बिकॉज येस्टरडे आई बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट आई वॉज नॉट फीलिंग वेल। तो छोटी दिवाली में मैंने रंगोली वगैरह कुछ बनाई नहीं। सो अभी मैं बना लेती हूँ। तकरीबन अभी 9:30 सुबह के हो चुके हैं, तो अभी मैं रंगोली बना लेती हूँ, आपको दिखाऊंगी भी मैं। एंड देन जस्ट स्टे कनेक्टेड, आई विल टेक यू अराउंड with me, and it's just a very simple video today, simple episode. I have nothing extravagant to do for Diwali this year because also I'm away from my husband and my family, so I'm honestly right now not in the mood. But just आप तो मेरे साथ रहोगे तो आपको मैंने सोचा आज ब्लॉग बना ही लेती हूँ, दिवाली का राधा एपिसोड बना लेती हूँ। तो बस स्टे ट्यून्ड और बने रहें और चलते हैं फिर लंच पे। चलो रंगोली के बाद। Guys, I have started to make rangoli. As you can see, my hands are already colorful. So it's just the beginning. I'll show you. And of course, I had to tie my hair and all of that. Otherwise, it'll get so messy. So let me just show you the starting point. So guys, I'll do one thing. Let me just quickly finish making the rangoli, and not quickly, I'll take some time for sure, and then I'll show you how it is done. Let me know in the comments how do you like my rangoli. This is what I drew outside. It's a very simple swastik design, but I think it's very authentic. So that's about it. And अंदर का तो आपको पता ही है। So let's get going for the lunch. I'll see you at the restaurant. Bye. Guys, I'll show you what I'm wearing, and it's so difficult because I have no one around me to shoot me like that, you know. So I've managed to place my camera like that, so just have a look. This is like an anarkali suit. I like this combination. It's very bright and the material is very soft, so I'll go this far. Have a look, guys. I hope you like it. Yeah, that's it. So guys, I'm teaming this outfit up with white shoes and my white rattan bag. That's about it. I'll rush home for the puja, and because उसका एक time होता है ना पूजा का, so I don't want to miss that. So stay connected and happy Diwali everyone, and of course welcome back to my vlog. Guys, look at the decor. It's so beautiful. Happy Diwali. So nice. And that's our place. Seems very, very beautiful. Sandeep, don't show your tactics now. So we have got pani puri. So that's pani puri. Let's start, guys.
I didn't tell you.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Good that you brought it back.
Hey. क्राफ्ट में भी ऐसा मेन्यू आना चाहिए ना बारबेक्यू।
Guys, the food here is very nice. You must try this place. It's called Indie Grill. It's good. Guys, our main course is here. We ordered all the variety of the vegetarian. Because today's Diwali, we are having vegetarian. Looks yum.
वैसे लाइन में सब खाना रखा है, ग्लास में भी
Because now he's not hungry anymore. That's
No,
why.
I'm hungry.
Huh?
I'm hungry.
You do not be.
That's all from the dessert platter.
नहीं, वो जा रहा है,
मूंग
बड़ा
की दाल का हलवा, chocolate cake, गुलाब जामुन, बालूशाही and mango mousse. So guys, it's already puja time. The muhurat is now. Indian time, it was between 5 to 7 p.m. So Doha time right now, it's almost around 3:15 or so. That means 5:45 approximately. So I should be going now to do the puja, and I'll see you after puja. So guys, I'm done with my puja and it was so nice. गणेश जी की आरती की मैंने और लक्ष्मी जी की भी आरती की, तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. And you know, it's so nice to be you know, connected to your roots, to your culture, because this is what I feel. It's like, you know, having the faith, having the belief, having the hope in the divine if you're rooted to your culture and your roots. So nothing like it, you know. The feeling is absolutely just infinite. It's just mesmerizing. अब शाम के ऑलमोस्ट 7:30 बज रहे हैं एंड मैंने मिठाइयाँ भी नीचे हमारे सिक्योरिटी गार्ड हैं उनको दे दिया है. और बाहर जो हमारे यहाँ घर के पास काफ़ी द कंस्ट्रक्शन इज़ हैपनिंग बेसिकली. सो आई हैव डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड स्वीट्स टू द कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्कर्स ऑल्सो, and more so because it was Diwali for SSR, which is I'm sure you know Sushant Singh Rajput. So and I'm a firm follower of Sushant's work. I have been an ardent follower of his work since the time he acted on Pavitra Rishta. So I'm pretty emotional on this aspect, and I'm following each and every news pertaining to him. And this Diwali I have dedicated to him also. So आप जब किसी के लिए कुछ करते हो तो मन काफ़ी अच्छा होता है और आपको काफ़ी शांति की अनुभूति होती है. तो आज मुझे वैसे ही फील हुआ when I distributed sweets to the people, you know, maybe they cannot afford and they are missing home also. So you know, why not? It's a nice gesture from our side. सो इसी के साथ आई थिंक काफ़ी इमोशनल बातें होंगी. सो अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. नाउ मीटिंग माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड वेदश्री. आप उससे मिल चुके हो काफ़ी टाइम. So we are meeting for dinner. So without wasting further time, I'll just go and get ready quickly because we have a lot to catch up on, and it's Diwali, so I'm very happy, guys. और यहाँ तो पटाखे जलाते नहीं हैं इस कंट्री में, तो आई एम मिसिंग दैट पार्ट डेफिनेटली. सो आई होप आप लोगों ने पटाखे जलाए एंड यू वर सेफ, नो एनिमल्स वर हार्म ड्यूरिंग दैट, कीपिंग द safety in mind. I'm sure you guys celebrated and burned the firecrackers. So yeah. Hi everyone. Hi, that's Shaukat भैया. और इन्होंने मेरा ये आउटफिट एक दिन में रेडी किया है, दिवाली का आउटफिट.
वो भी बहुत प्यारे कस्टमर है, इसके लिए मैंने इनको अर्जेंट में बना के दिया.
थैंक यू शौकत भैया.
थैंक यू मैम.
और दिवाली के लिए बेस्ट गिफ्ट मिला मुझे आपसे.
okay.
और आप अगर दोहा में रहते हो तो इनकी शॉप में ज़रूर आना. इनकी शॉप का नाम है जुहारा बुटीक. ये मेरी फेवरेट शॉप है, मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें ली भी है यहाँ से. तो आप ज़रूर आइएगा. शौकत भैया को याद रखिएगा. और मैं इनका नंबर और बुटीक का एड्रेस अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूँगी.
बाय
बाय. And now we are headed to spend some nice time on this evening, Diwali night, we can say that. So yeah, join us for a nice dinner and some gupshup. Wish you all a very happy Diwali. And अभी हम दिवाली डिनर के लिए आए हैं और चलिए आप भी चलिए हमारे साथ. Let's have something nice.
Yes, we are loving this place.
Yeah.
Such a beautiful weather, isn't it?
Very beautiful.
And this weather is actually making us hungry.
Exactly.
Not that we are always hooked around.
That's true. And anyway, it's a night dinner time. So that's how we are spending on Diwali. Like Diwali is more occasion of get together and everyone hangs around together. So we are away from our family and our husbands. So we have to meet and celebrate together.
Of course.
So चलिए चलते हैं फिर dinner पे. See you later. So guys, Kundu also wants to wish you Diwali once again and say goodbye to all of you.
Hi everyone once again. Happy Diwali to all of you all. Wish you a very very pleasant and safe Diwali. Hope you all have a lovely time. Okay. This Diwali was indeed different for us, but yes, of course, we had
Our share of fun.
Our share of fun, of course. And weather is lovely here. We have really enjoyed, and I'm gonna wish to see you all again very soon with something very interesting.
Exactly. So until then guys, please take care of yourself, stay safe and God bless. Love you all. Bye. Good night.